The workplace is changing. It's a transformation that is reshaping how we think about work, where we do it, and the tools we use to get it done. Gone are the days of predictable 9-to-5 jobs. The rigid schedules and traditional office environments are becoming a thing of the past. We are moving toward a more dynamic and technology-driven environment. This shift is driven by rapid advancements in technology, which are enabling new ways of working and collaborating. This shift brings both challenges and opportunities. On one hand, there are new tools and platforms that can enhance productivity and innovation. On the other hand, there are new skills to learn and new ways of thinking to adopt. Understanding these changes is crucial for success in the future of work. It's not just about keeping up with technology, but also about understanding how it can be leveraged to create value. The traditional office setting is evolving. Open-plan offices, hybrid workspaces, and flexible seating arrangements are becoming more common. Remote work is increasingly common. The ability to work from anywhere is no longer a perk, but a standard expectation for many employees. The gig economy is on the rise. More people are choosing freelance and contract work, driven by the desire for flexibility and autonomy. Automation and artificial intelligence are changing the nature of work itself. Routine tasks are being automated, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. These changes can be daunting, but they also offer a chance to redesign how we work. By embracing new technologies and ways of working, we can create more efficient and enjoyable work environments. This new world of work demands adaptability and a willingness to learn. Employees must be open to continuous learning and development to stay relevant. We must embrace lifelong learning to stay relevant. Online courses, workshops, and training sessions are becoming essential tools for career development. We need to develop new skills and be open to change. This includes both technical skills and soft skills, like communication, collaboration, and problem solving. The future of work is about more than just technology. It's about people. Creating a supportive and inclusive work environment is key to fostering innovation and productivity. This essay will explore the key trends shaping the future of work. We'll look at how these trends are impacting different industries and what they mean for employees and employers. We'll examine the impact of automation and AI. These technologies are transforming industries, from manufacturing to healthcare, and creating new opportunities for growth and efficiency. We'll delve into the rise of remote work and the gig economy. These trends are changing the way we think about employment and career paths. We'll discuss the importance of lifelong learning and the evolving role of leadership. Effective leaders must be able to navigate this changing landscape and support their teams through transitions. Finally, we'll provide practical tips to help you navigate this changing landscape. Whether you're an employee looking to stay ahead or an employer seeking to create a future-ready workforce, these insights will be invaluable. Please like and subscribe to my channel Katai Pite for more insights on the future of work. Automation is transforming industries. It's changing how we work and what skills are needed. Some fear job displacement, while others see it as an opportunity for growth. Understanding automation's impact is crucial for navigating the future of work. Automation involves using technology to perform tasks previously done by humans. This can include manufacturing, data entry, and customer service. It can lead to increased efficiency, productivity, and cost savings for businesses. However, it also raises concerns about job security. While automation may eliminate some jobs, it also creates new ones. These new roles often require different skills, particularly in technology and problem solving. Therefore, workers need to adapt by learning new skills and embracing lifelong learning. The key to thriving in an automated world is to focus on skills that machines can't replicate. These include creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving. By developing these skills, workers can remain valuable assets in the future job market. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world around us. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize countless industries. In the workplace, AI is automating tasks, improving decision-making, and creating new opportunities. AI's impact on the future of work is a topic of much debate. Some view AI as a threat to jobs, while others see it as a tool to enhance human capabilities. The reality is likely a combination of both. AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers for more creative and strategic work. It can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and insights that humans might miss. This can lead to better decision-making and improved business outcomes. However, AI also raises ethical and societal questions. As AI systems become more sophisticated, it's crucial to ensure they are developed and used responsibly. We must address concerns about bias, transparency, and the potential impact on employment. Section 4. The rise of remote work, working without walls. In recent years, the concept of working without walls has gained significant traction, transforming the traditional office environment into a more flexible and dynamic workspace. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the trend of remote work, pushing companies to adapt quickly to a new way of operating. What was once considered a perk or a temporary solution has now become a permanent fixture in the professional landscape. Millions of people transitioned to working from home, proving that work can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. This shift has shown that productivity is not tied to a physical office space, but rather to the tools and resources available to employees. This shift has profound implications for the future of work. Companies are rethinking their office spaces, investing in technology to support remote work, and exploring hybrid models that combine the best of both worlds. Remote work offers numerous benefits for both employees and employers. For employees, the ability to work from home or any location provides a level of freedom and flexibility that was previously unimaginable. Employees enjoy greater flexibility, autonomy, and work-life balance. They can tailor their work schedules to fit their personal lives, leading to increased job satisfaction and overall well-being. They can work from anywhere in the world, saving time and money on commuting. This opens up opportunities for travel and living in different locations, enriching their personal and professional lives. Employers can reduce overhead costs associated with office space and tap into a wider pool of talent. By embracing remote work, companies can hire the best candidates regardless of their geographical location, fostering a more diverse and inclusive workforce. However, remote work also presents challenges. The lack of face-to-face interaction can lead to feelings of isolation and disconnection among team members. Maintaining communication and collaboration can be more difficult. Teams need to rely on digital tools and platforms to stay connected, which can sometimes lead to misunderstandings and miscommunications. The lines between work and personal life can become blurred, leading to burnout. Without the physical separation of an office, it can be challenging to switch off from work, resulting in longer hours and increased stress. Loneliness and social isolation can also be concerns for remote workers. The lack of in-person interactions can make it difficult to build relationships and feel connected to the team. To thrive in a remote work environment, individuals and organizations need to adapt. This means developing new strategies and practices to support remote work effectively. Clear communication, effective collaboration tools, and a focus on employee well-being are essential. Companies need to invest in the right technology and create a culture that supports remote work. Building a strong remote work culture requires intentionality and effort. Regular virtual team-building activities, open lines of communication, and a commitment to employee engagement can help create a cohesive and motivated remote workforce. Section 5. The gig economy opportunities and challenges. The gig economy is another significant trend shaping the future of work. It refers to a labor market characterized by short-term contracts or freelance work rather than traditional permanent employment. The gig economy offers both opportunities and challenges for workers. One of the main attractions of the gig economy is the flexibility it offers. Workers can choose their hours, work from anywhere, and be their own bosses. This can be particularly appealing to those seeking greater work-life balance or pursuing multiple passions. However, the gig economy also has its downsides. Gig workers often lack the benefits and job security that come with traditional employment. They are responsible for their own taxes and insurance. Income can be unpredictable, and finding a steady stream of work can be challenging. For those considering gig work, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons carefully. Having a strong online presence, networking effectively, and continuously developing your skills are crucial for success in the gig economy. Section 6. Lifelong learning, the key to adaptability. In a rapidly changing work environment, lifelong learning is no longer optional, it's essential. The pace of technological advancements and industry changes means that what you know today might be outdated tomorrow. The skills you learned in school or early in your career may not be relevant in the future. This is why it's important to continuously update your skill set and knowledge base. Continuous learning and upskilling are crucial for staying ahead of the curve. By dedicating time to learn new skills, you ensure that you remain competitive in the job market. Lifelong learning can take many forms. It's not just about formal education. It's about being curious and proactive in seeking knowledge. It can be formal, like pursuing a degree or certification. These credentials can open doors to new opportunities and validate your expertise. It can also be informal, like attending workshops, taking online courses, or reading industry publications. Informal learning allows you to stay updated with the latest trends and best practices in your field. The key is to make learning a continuous part of your life. Integrate learning into your daily routine, whether it's through reading, watching educational videos, or engaging in discussions with peers. With the abundance of online learning platforms, access to knowledge has never been easier. You can learn at your own pace and choose from a wide range of subjects. Websites like Coursera, edX, and Udemy offer a vast library of courses on various subjects. These platforms provide flexibility and convenience, allowing you to learn from anywhere at any time. Many of these courses are free or available at a low cost. This makes it easier for anyone to access high-quality education without financial barriers. Embrace a growth mindset and be open to learning new things throughout your career. A growth mindset encourages you to see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. The more you learn, the more adaptable you become. Adaptability is a key trait that employers look for, as it indicates your ability to handle change and new challenges effectively. This will make you a valuable asset to employers and position you for long-term success. By continuously learning and adapting, you not only enhance your career prospects, but also enrich your personal growth and development. Pause 2S. Section 7. The future of work. As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of the modern workplace, it's crucial to look ahead and anticipate what the future holds. Emerging technologies, shifting workforce demographics, and evolving societal values are all shaping the future of work in profound ways. Pause 1S. One significant trend is the rise of artificial intelligence and automation. These technologies are transforming industries by optimizing processes, increasing efficiency, and creating new opportunities. However, they also pose challenges, such as the displacement of certain job roles. To stay relevant, it's important to develop skills that complement these technologies rather than compete against them. This means focusing on areas where human creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking are irreplaceable. Pause 1S. Another trend is the growing importance of remote work and flexible working arrangements. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of remote work, and it's likely to remain a permanent fixture in many organizations. This shift offers greater work-life balance and access to a broader talent pool, but it also requires new strategies for collaboration, communication, and maintaining company culture. Pause 1S. Additionally, the future of work is increasingly characterized by a focus on sustainability and social responsibility. Companies are recognizing the importance of ethical practices, diversity, and inclusion, and they are being held accountable by consumers and employees alike. Businesses that prioritize these values are more likely to attract and retain top talent and build trust with their stakeholders. Pause 1S. As we prepare for the future of work, it's essential to remain adaptable, embrace continuous learning, and stay informed about emerging trends. By doing so, we can navigate the challenges and seize the opportunities that lie ahead, ensuring a prosperous and fulfilling career. Pause 2S. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the evolving world of work. Stay curious, stay proactive, and remember that the future is what we make of it. Pause 2S. Section 8. Like, subscribe, and join us on Katai Pite. Visuals. An engaging call to action screen with your channel's logo and a preview of other content. Narrator. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content on sustainability and the future of our world, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Katai Pite. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest videos, where we explore important topics and share practical insights for a better future. Visuals. Animated buttons for like, subscribe, and a bell icon for notifications. Narrator. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Join our community of like-minded individuals and let's continue the conversation about building a sustainable future together.